Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, I'm just here to tell you that I'm having a Whatnot auction this Saturday, April 18th, 7 p.m. Eastern Time on Whatnot. The show is already scheduled. I've got a lot of Bear & Son knives I'll have. I've got some hard-to-get case knives. I got some very rare buck knives. I found 5 very, very rare buck knives. Somebody just dropped off a collection at a pawn shop, and I picked those up. And but they was only made for 3 years, and Camillus made them for buck. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you that. So they're very, very rare. I'm not talking about the buck 317 either. So I'll be showing y'all that in a video coming real soon. But guys, we went to the mountains. It was so much fun, and I'm back now. I'm gearing up to go to Wiggins, Mississippi. So it's gonna be a great day out there in Wiggins. So hope to see y'all there April 17th and April 18th. The show ends at 2 o'clock on Saturday. So whatever the knives I have left, I'm gonna keep some back for the Whatnot auction, but whatever I have left, I'm gonna take to the motel room, do some photos, then we're gonna have that sale Saturday night, 7 p.m. from my motel room in Wiggins, Mississippi. So it's gonna be so much fun. So much fun. Anyway, guys, I just want to share that real quick. But in this video, guys, you're going to see me coming home from the mountains. We stopped at the Collet Country Store. I bought some case knives and looked around. And you'll be seeing those case knives that I bought in a future video, okay? But this video here is about me going to the Collet Country Store, looking around. We ate some delicious food, talked with Mr. Chaz and Mr. Rick. Their case event, he talks about the case event. It's in August this year. I forgot what date, but it's in this video here. So again, it's just a great time up there. Great folks, delicious food, case knives everywhere, wall to wall. They got a bunch of displayed case knives for sale. It's just a cool place. It really is. Anyway, guys, I hope to see y'all this Saturday, April 18th, 7 p.m. Eastern Time on Whatnot. It's going to be a good auction. It's going to be fun. And guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, look where we're at. Collet Country Store. We just come in from the mountains. We're on the way back home. I'm going to stop in here and buy me a few case knives. Eat me some good old barbecue. We got a good session of barbecue and blades. We got Miss Val right here. But, it's going to be good now. All the knives. It's always a pleasure to come here, guys. Yeah. Look at that right there. That's nice. Little Sawbilly Tiku thing. Always shopping for the grandbabies. Ain't you, Mom? Well, we have been up in the North Georgia mountains, guys. It's good to be getting back home. Like that, right? That's a red stag. The little stockman right there. That's pretty too. I like that. You got some old case knives in here now. Check that out. That big one's $250. That one's a red stag. Oh yeah. That one right there. I really like these. They're really nice. That's a good one too. Camo. Like that zipper. Well, that's that tool right there. $33.99. That little thing. Ooh boy. How was it for chicken? Man, that has a Warncliffe blade. I love that red stag one right there. I have that one right there. Right there, you got the white one. I got that one. I've got all three of them. That one's pretty right there. There it is, guys. I already took one bite. I'm sorry. I had to put coleslaw on it, but these fries are delicious. The food is just so good. Val's chowing down on hers. But just great food. Love this place. What is that one right there? Man.
Yeah, they're not staying with us.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
That's why he got put in this box, because this one.
That's an 86. Look at that stag.
Well, the stag is what's so nice
about it. My gosh. That's like a pheasant knot.
Yeah, but even smaller. That's like the fin.
Oh, it is, ain't it?
Yeah.
That's beautiful, man. I'm like, oh my gosh. When I first saw that thing, now what is that? A senator's hand?
That's a canoe, but it looks like from the 80s, just from the outside. Yeah.
Wow. That's that pretty bone.
That's 70s. Yeah, that's a 79.
Oh yeah, that's that pretty bone. They call it. Got all that milk or in it. Yeah, yes sir. That's beautiful. Now, is that for sale?
I'm sure it would be whether he's ready to price it today or not.
Yeah, I know it. I know. I just like to look at old knife.
No, shoot. We'll wait till he gets back in here, because that's the.
Yeah.
And I think this is a box of some of the stuff he's going to try to have ready.
Okay, for the event. Yeah. And why y'all having it sooner this year? I meant to ask you that.
Really, one, we were tired of competing with hunting season.
Okay.
So hunting season, wedding season, all the fall travel, all that kind of stuff.
And football.
And football season was a big
the
thing
SEC,
too.
yeah.
And then thankfully at 9 o'clock in the morning, that wasn't as big of a deal.
Right.
Hunting killed us. And then also, that was just a lot on me, bumping up to the holidays around here. The caterings go crazy, getting a lot of organized.
Right. Well, good. I'm looking forward to it. And it's when again?
August 29th.
August the 29th. Good deal, man. I'll be here.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
We'll be here. Yes, sir.
And another thing, too, I'm excited about is actually having some real product that people haven't seen. Whereas in October, usually cases pretty much rolled everything out but the Christmas knives.
Right.
So having smack in the middle of the year, I'm hoping we time it just right where we get a big shipment of some freshly released knives that people will kind of be excited about too.
Yeah, that'd be cool. That'd be cool. So, I can't wait, man. It'll be here before you know it.
Dude, I'm preparing like it's going to be here in a couple weeks.
That's good.
Yeah, so.
Okay, guys, got our stomach full. We're fitting to go to the house. Got me some more stuff. Case knives, and we'll be going over all that when I get to the house, or maybe tomorrow. I don't know yet. Anyway, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Till we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp. Okay, guys, we have made it to the cabin. That is Nick and Lindsay's and the grandkids' cabin. This is our little cabin right here. Ain't that cool? I'm going to show you something right here. Look down here. What's in our backyard? Watch my step. Look here. Ain't that awesome? Is that not cool or what, y'all? But this ain't anything right now. I'm gonna show y'all something. Look here. Isn't that beautiful? But look out here. Look right there. Got a fire pit. Look at that. Check that out. We're gonna have us a little fire right here tomorrow. Ain't this awesome? That's the cabin. Right here. Beautiful, ain't it? Check that out. Beautiful. There's a little swimming pool right there now. It's pretty deep. Ain't that a nice view? That water just sounds so good. And these chairs. Man, check that out. Wow, imagine a fire right here. We're gonna have one tomorrow. And that view right there. That is awesome.
All packed up and ready to go. Hope to see y'all in Wiggins, Mississippi.
I didn't think you were real, man. Thanks for the ride. You going to Wiggins too?
Yeah, I'm going to the Wiggins Knife Show. I'm looking for some Halloween knives. Those are cool. The knife doctor collects those too.